The Cura Home Summit has over 150 customer reviews and a 4.7-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Summit is a beautiful light, is a great price, and is of great quality. The Cura Home Summit is perfect to dress up a simple hallway, over dining room tables, or in an entryway or foyer. This sleek light comes in a beautiful matte black finish. The design of the Summit features a unique schoolhouse-style clear glass shade that adds a stunning ambient vibe and gives off the perfect amount of light for any area in your home. The body of the Summit is shaped in a classic rippled, downward sloped design. A fixture like this is universally appealing for any style of decor. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Summit is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Summit is UL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon Marketplace. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Cura Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us, online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.